Hi everybody, it's me Jenny here at the 4-Star Public Library, and we're continuing with our Mo Willems celebration by reading a couple of his books, and this one is called The Cookie Fiasco. So look, what does it look like by the cover? There's 4 animals and only 3 cookies. Do you think that's going to be important? Let's see. I want to read this funny book. Me too. But how can 2 of us read this one book? We can read it together. That is one great idea. Oh my goodness. Elephant and Piggy are reading this book with us, guys. Hey guys, cookie time! Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Hold on. There are 3 cookies, but 4 of us. I was right. There is something wrong. Someone will not get a cookie. Sniff, sniff, sniff. That's not fair. We need equal cookies for all. I have an idea. Maybe you 2 can share 1 cookie. What? We will not share cookies. We do not share a lot of things. I am wearing her socks. So they do share. They just don't want to share their cookies. I heard crocodiles don't like cookies. Maybe you should not get a cookie. What? Huh? I eat cookies. I love cookies. I would eat a whole plate right now. Snap. Did the hippo just snap the cookie? He did. Oh my goodness. Or we could share by our size. That's a great idea. Wait a minute. You're huge. You would get all the cookies. Oh, really? They don't like that idea either. Snap. Snapped a cookie again. Did you hear that? Oh, they noticed the cookie snapping. Hippo, what are you doing? I break things when I'm nervous. Oh no. Snap, snap. Stop it. Sorry. You're making things worse. Show us the cookies. Oh goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no. Now there are 6 cookie pieces, but only 4 of us. This is not good. This is not fair. This is not equal. Oh. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Snap. My nerves. Oh no. Hippo's doing it again. We have to solve this problem fast. Our friendship depends on it. We need equal cookies for all. Snap, snap. Oh no. Hippo. Stop! There'll be crumbs soon. The pieces are getting smaller and smaller. Hippo, stop. We will have to eat cookie crumbs. This is a flop, a mess, a disaster. This is a fiasco. Just like the title of the book. Snap, 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 snap. No, not again. Sorry. I cannot stop. It is what he does. Oh, goodness. He broke all the pieces again. Why is he still holding the cookies? I'm too afraid to count now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. Now there are 12 cookie pieces, but still only 4 of us. Get these cookies away from me, please! Oh boy. Guys, take one at a time! Oh, they're all running and grabbing them. Oh my goodness. I have 3 pieces. Me too. Me too! 1, 2, 3, me too! We did it! Equal cookies for all! Oh my goodness, they finally figured it out. Munch, 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 munch. Oh, they ate them all up. Hey guys, milk time. I have 3 glasses. Oh no. It's gonna happen again. That was a fun book. But now I'm hungry for a cookie. Now I'm thirsty for milk. Ah, that was silly. This book makes me hungry and thirsty. Good books make me feel bad things. Oh, that was so silly. All right, now this next book, The Good for Nothing Button. And it looks like there's 3 birds. You think they're friends with Pigeon? I hope so. What are you reading, Piggy? Hee nothing. Nothing? I could see you are reading something. I'm reading something about nothing. That is something I want to read too. Good for Nothing Button, just like we're reading. Hey, look. It's Yellow Bird. Hi, Yellow Bird. Look what I have. Wow. Wowee. Wow, wow. I can't believe it. What is it? It's a button. A red button. Red is my favorite. What does it do? Nothing. Nothing? Huh? Yes, nothing. Watch. Press. See? Nothing. Huh? May I press the button? Yes, Bluebird, you may press the button. Press. Wow! Wow, what? The button is so easy to press. It surprised me. Oh, that's silly. Surprise is not nothing. That is true. May I press the button? Yes, Redbird, you may press the button. Yay! Button, button, button. Ooh. I'm pressing the button. Aw, the button did not surprise me. See, the button does nothing. Redbird, now you are sad. And sad is not nothing. That is true. Wait! The button cannot make you sad. The button does nothing. May I try again? Okay, fine. These birds are so silly. Here goes. Nothing! Press, press, press. Oh, goodness. Wow! He jumped off the ground. Ha ha ha! The button surprised you again. It did. That button makes us happy. Ah, Yellow Bird is having none of that. Oh my goodness. Happy button, happy button, happy button. Stop! The button does nothing. See? Press. I am pressing the button. Press. And nothing is happening. Press. It's a good for nothing button. Oh, goodness. Uh-oh. The button is making him mad. The button is not making me mad. Oh, goodness. I will prove it. I'm pressing the button. Press. Look, I am not mad. I am relaxed. Ooh. Now the button is making him calm. What? Ah! Press, 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 press. Oh my goodness. The button cannot make me calm or mad or anything or surprised or scared or icky or anything else at all. Ha 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 ha. Yellow bird, we know that the button does. The button makes you funny. Oh my goodness. Funny? Funny? I like being funny. Funny is fun. Let's all be funny. Press, press, press. Wow, funny, funny, funny. They take up the whole page. Button, button, button. Crash! What was that? Wow, that button does everything. That is true. What should we do now? More nothing. Nothing is my favorite. That button gives me a headache. Oh, there was a worm under them the whole time. Oh my goodness. This book makes me want to press a button. I don't see any buttons around. The elephant looks like he's thinking about something. I do. Beep. Oh, he pressed his nose. I am impressed. That is so silly. Oh my goodness, guys. That was funny. I can't believe it. Did you know that we have a new craft here based on those birds in the book? This is a duckling. And we also have pigeon from the pigeon books. You can make your own handcraft and put it together, and it comes with feathers. So come and get that, and don't forget about our Lego Pizza Challenge, guys. It's in honor of National Pizza Day. You can make a little pizza out of Legos and send it to us, and you could get a prize. Alright, don't forget about that, and don't forget about the crafts every week, guys. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.